Hey, so Ray sent me a new pill for my pineapple mini. Got this pretty recently, not too long ago, and it's been a really awesome EDC light. Just small, good output, very good tint. It's got the Nietzsche LED as far as I know, domed. But all of a sudden one day, the battery is in there now and it's been charged. I tested it in another flashlight and it works fine. Make sure it's charged, but nothing. So Ray, I got in touch with Ray, talked to him a couple of times, and he said he'll try to send me a new pill, and it just arrived today, so we're gonna see if swapping that out will fix anything. So I'll just take the old battery out. So the pill is what houses the LED. And let me get my little tweezers. So first thing he had me do was make sure it's tight in there. And I did that and it seemed fine. So I'm gonna try to take this one out. These little holes are super small. I'm hoping I'm not messing up anything because I'm not paying attention like I need to be. So that is the old pill. I mean, visually, I really couldn't see anything wrong with it. But I guess we'll see if that's the problem. Because as far as the contacts and everything on the body and the tail cap, it looked fine to me. I mean, but I'm no expert. So now we're going to open up the new one. Oh, look at that. He even sent me a thing of tweezers. Well, shit. So this should be the new pill. But shout out to Ray. We're in a different time zone, obviously, but definitely got back to me and tried to see what he can help me with. So... definitely looks a little more robust. See the difference? This is the new one, this is the old one. I'm assuming this is the Nietzsche 219. And this is a newer one, so we will see how that goes. So we'll drop it in there. Trying to be careful with the new one. Oops. Let's hope I didn't screw up anything by doing that. I don't have the most dexterity in my hands and fingers. They're small, but they're dumb. They're dumb people's hands. All right, let's make sure it's tight again. Trying not to hit any of the stuff on the circuit. Alright, that seems pretty tight, any tighter, and I don't want to mess anything up. So I'll put the battery back in here. Positive side to the head. Look at that. Bravo. Oh, that's a pretty light. So, low. Full, low, medium. So looks like it's working. I think I got to change the settings on there because I don't know if it went back to an old mode. But I had it on like low, medium, high. But yeah, definitely check out ReyLights, guys. They're really great tint. You're not gonna get like the most lumens, but if that's not what you're after, you want usable, nice to the eye color and great product, definitely check it out.